Welcome to ClearSpot AI. In this episode, we're diving deep into how solar energy and drones are transforming the future of renewable power. From monitoring solar panels to improving efficiency and cutting costs, drones are revolutionizing the solar industry. So stay tuned as we explore the technology, benefits, real-world applications, and future possibilities of this game-changing duo. Solar energy is now the fastest-growing renewable source on the planet. According to the International Energy Agency, solar accounts for over 60% of new renewable installations each year. But managing thousands of panels spread across hundreds of acres isn't easy. This is where drones step in as the perfect partners for solar power. Solar farms face real challenges: dust and dirt reducing efficiency, micro cracks invisible to the human eye, and electrical faults causing power losses. Traditional inspection methods are slow, costly, and labor-intensive. For a 100-megawatt solar farm, it could take weeks to inspect manually. But with drones, the same inspection can be completed in a matter of hours. Equipped with thermal cameras, LiDAR, and AI-based software, drones can quickly detect faults in solar panels, identify hotspots, and generate real-time reports. Here's how drones add value: faster inspections. Large solar plants can be scanned in a fraction of the time. Higher accuracy. Drones can spot invisible defects using infrared imaging. Cost efficiency. Reduces labor and downtime. Data-driven insights. AI analyzes patterns and predicts failures before they happen. This is not just inspection, it's predictive maintenance powered by cutting-edge drone technology. Let's look at some real-world success stories. In India, a 50-megawatt solar plant used drones for IV curve analysis and thermal imaging. Result? Efficiency improved by 12% within months. In the US, a utility-scale farm saved nearly $2 million annually by shifting from manual inspections to drone-powered analytics. Inspection is just one part of the story. Drones also play a vital role in solar farm construction and cleaning. During construction, drones provide aerial mapping and 3D modeling, ensuring precise installation layouts. For cleaning, experimental drone systems are being tested to spray water or cleaning agents, saving time and reducing the need for ground vehicles. Imagine entire solar farms being built and maintained with minimal human intervention, powered by drones. The combination of drones and solar panels doesn't just benefit companies, it benefits the environment and society. Lower carbon footprint from reduced maintenance travel. Increased solar efficiency means more clean energy powering homes and businesses. Job creation in drone operations, data analytics, and renewable tech. Together, drones and solar are making clean energy more affordable and more sustainable. The future of solar farms is autonomous. Imagine fleets of drones automatically scanning, cleaning, and repairing solar plants without human intervention. AI-powered platforms will provide real-time monitoring, predicting failures before they happen, and optimizing panel alignment for maximum sunlight. This isn't science fiction. It's already being tested in pilot projects worldwide. As the world races toward a clean energy future, drones are becoming an essential partner in solar energy. Faster inspections, smarter data, higher efficiency. This is the future of renewable power. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is bright when powered by the sun and driven by innovation. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decision.